Hey everyone, Stephen here with the Gun Life Coach. Good morning. So, are you prepared? What are you doing to prepare yourself for the reality of violence? What are you doing to prepare yourself for the reality of confrontation or conflict? It's not always a matter of a lethal force encounter. That is something that you should prepare for. I believe you should have a gun and know how to use it, more importantly. But a lot of people, many students that I've encountered over the years, initially fail to realize the mindset that has to be taught, the attitude that has to be had, the willingness, the desire to win in your heart, and to understand the nature of the reality of conflict. It's not always about pulling the trigger. It's more about when to pull the trigger, if there is a trigger to be pulled. But how do you avoid the situation? How do you de-escalate a situation that can potentially be de-escalated? Using nonviolent dispute resolution, verbal judo, understanding de-escalation of force, knowing when to walk away safely. This is what I want you to think about today. Are you preparing yourself mentally, emotionally, spiritually to handle conflict? To be more well-rounded than just, I've got a gun and I know how to use it. Sure, you should do that. But are you preparing yourself mentally? Arming yourself with the realities of violence, profiling criminals in certain ways, understanding your surroundings with good situational awareness, and having hypothetical plans and how to execute those plans should something go down in a bad way. It's not always about the gun. Just remember that. But if you're going to have a gun, you got to know how to use it, right? That's why we train. We train to help our subconscious performance become a reality and acceptable in the face of conflict. All right, food for thought today. Are you prepared? Are you prepared? Well, this is Stephen from the Gun Life Coach. God bless. So glad you tuned in today. Stay tuned. As always, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe on YouTube. We'll see you next time.